Achieving a professional, showroom quality shine shouldn't require a professional's price tag or years of experience. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today, we are simplifying automotive maintenance by counting down the top 5 ceramic coatings specifically designed for beginners. These products offer maximum durability with effortless application. Before we dive into our top picks, please consider liking this video and leaving a comment below sharing your favorite detailing tips. Okay, without further ado, let's jump straight into the first option. First up is the GTechniq Crystal Serum Light. Here are some advantages of GTechniq Crystal Serum Light ceramic coatings. Superior swirl and scratch resistance. Engineered with a 9H ceramic layer, Crystal Serum Light provides an exceptionally hard protective barrier that significantly reduces the risk of swirl marks. High gloss optical clarity. This coating enhances the vehicle's paintwork by adding an incredible level of gloss and color depth. Advanced chemical and environmental protection. The product offers robust resistance to a wide pH range. Multi-year durability and ease of maintenance. With a lifespan of up to 5 years, Crystal Serum Light creates a highly hydrophobic surface that repels water, dirt, and road grime. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Griot Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. Here are some advantages of Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax ceramic coatings. Exceptional hydrophobic properties. Formulated with advanced SiO2 technology, this wax creates a high surface tension barrier that aggressively repels water. Superior versatility and ease of use. Unlike traditional paste waxes that require extensive buffing, this product features a user-friendly spray-on, wipe-off application. Long-term durability and UV protection. While standard waxes often degrade within weeks, the ceramic 3-in-1 wax is engineered for longevity. Enhanced optical clarity and gloss. The formula is designed to deepen the color and clarity of the paintwork, resulting in a mirror-like finish. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Adams Polish's Graphene Ceramic Coating Advanced. Here are some advantages of Adams Polish's Graphene Ceramic Coating Advanced. Industry-leading longevity and durability. This advanced formula features a higher resin concentration than the standard version, providing a professional-grade protective barrier that can last up to 9 years. Patent-pending UV tracer technology. A standout feature of this product is the integration of a UV reactive additive. Superior 10H hardness and chemical resistance. Engineered to achieve a 10H hardness rating, this coating provides exceptional resistance to scratches, swirl marks, and environmental etching. Enhanced hydrophobicity and surface slickness. The graphene-infused technology results in incredibly low surface tension, leading to extreme water beading and a very low sliding angle. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the hybrid solutions. Here are some advantages of hybrid solutions. Advanced ceramic SiO2 technology. Infused with high-grade silicon dioxide, this formula creates a durable, semi-permanent chemical bond with the vehicle's paint. Exceptional water beading and self-cleaning properties. The coating produces an incredibly slick, hydrophobic surface with high surface tension. Incredible depth of gloss and color clarity. Engineered to maximize light refraction, the hybrid solutions formula enhances the paint's natural pigments to produce a deep, look shine. User-friendly application for maximum efficiency. Designed specifically for ease of use, this product features a straightforward spray-on. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating. Here are some advantages of Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating. Simplified professional-grade application. This product is engineered to provide the benefits of a professional ceramic coating with a significantly more user-friendly process. Superior durability and long-term protection. Formulated to offer resilience far beyond traditional waxes or sealants, this coating creates a robust, semi-permanent barrier. Extreme hydrophobic action and slickness. The advanced ceramic chemistry creates a high surface tension barrier that produces relentless water beading. Enhanced visual depth and gloss. Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating is specifically designed to maximize the aesthetic appeal of a vehicle's finish. Check the description for more details on this product. That concludes our look at the top 5 ceramic coatings designed to give your vehicle professional-grade protection with beginner-friendly ease. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. This is Top Home Finds.